Here I'm turning a 3-inch section cabinet foot. I'm showing it in slow motion as a few have asked for me to slow it down so they can see better. Start by roughing out with using my 1.25" spindle roughing gouge. Then turn it to the maximum diameter. Probably better to stop the lathe to check rather than touch it. And now reduce the diameters. I pick up both caliper and gauge in hand at the same time, which is another trick that shouldn't really be done. These calipers are resting on the tool to stop them snatching. I then use the gauge, which you can't quite see because my hand's in the way, not the calipers. Using the black marks on the tool rest, I know where the transitional points are, so the peeling cut again quickly reduces. This section here I can guess the diameter. And I turn the top of the vase roughly, and then move down and turn the half bead. Clean up the shoulder of this section because the peeling cut gives a rough cut, whereas the slicing cut cleans it up. Now using the 1/2-inch spindle gouge, shaping the toe. If you notice, the bevel's quite closed and pointing in the direction of it has to move to start with, and then it's opened up. This gives that nice crisp detail. Again, all slicing cuts for a nice clean surface. And now go back to the skew to finalise the shape of the vase. I like the skew to do this because in my opinion it gives the best surface, reducing sanding. And again, this top section was a peeling cut, so a nice slicing cut to clean it up. I've sped up the sanding, doesn't take much anyway. And then, as you can see, nice simple job. Thank you for watching.